Blue Yeti USB microphone, Blackout Edition. Tri-capsule array 3 condenser capsules can record almost any situation. Multiple pattern selection, cardioid, bidirectional, omnidirectional and stereo. Frequency response 20 Hz 20 kHz. Gain controlled, mute button, zero latency headphone output. Power output, RMS, 130 MW. Perfect for vocals, musical instruments, podcasting, voiceovers, interviews, field recordings, conference calls. Compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, including 8.1, Windows 7, Windows Vista, Windows XP, Home and Professional, and Mac OS X 10.4.11 or higher, and requires a minimum of 64 MB of RAM. Remove existing and upload. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.